Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Nate Life. Remember, your life is my Nate Life. Okay guys, today will be kind of a quick video a little bit. I'm going to show you my new Nerf gun. So I'm going to show you right now. Alright, let's do this. So there is my new Nerf gun, guys. I got it at, I think it was Walmart. And yeah, it's my new Nerf gun. And honestly, guys, it's a pretty good Nerf gun. Like, it's not a bad Nerf gun. I will say that it's not a bad Nerf gun. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to tell you that Nerf gun videos will be coming soon. Friends and I will be doing some Nerf videos. We might even do a Nerf competition against each other. With, like, no sound effects and all, but just regular Nerf battle. So, stay tuned for that in the future. Probably maybe sometime this summer. Hopefully. But anyway, guys, that is my new Nerf gun. And, let me go and show you, like, what it does. Because if I just show you, you won't get the full knowledge of it. Okay, so, I'm going to do this as good as possible. See if I can do this. Because you never know. Trying to make sure my phone stands up. Okay. Hopefully that'll work, guys. Okay. So, it's already loaded, but let me show you, like, kind of what it does. See? It easily just does that. Let me try to shoot at the camera. I missed. Oh, I did it! Lucky shot. Crap, now I gotta find all the bullets. See, that's the one part about shooting Nerf gun in grass, is you gotta find all the bullets. Yes, direct hit. Took me like 5 or 6 tries to get the camera. But anyway, guys, that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, future Nerf gun stuff in the near future. Probably a competition, Nerf Wars, Nerf Battle, whatever. And yeah, guys, that'll be it for today's video. Or will be it for this video. I'll be making some videos tomorrow. So yeah, guys, as always, I will see you in the next video. I'm joking. But anyway, guys, yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.